on the airplane now, guys, and we're about to go in Singapore. It's very crowded in here. There's lots and lots of people that's going to Singapore. I have my neck pillow, and here's mommy. She's really tired. She wants to sleep.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning in again. So today is February 15th and we are going to
Singapore. Let me catch up with my old man. So guys, we are in the airport.
Alright, so we'll be paying the travel tax muna, and then after that we can check in.
So guys, we are walking into an unknown place for me. And look, and this is mommy. And then the man that made the channel. Woo! So guys, it's very crowded here. Stuff are getting back to normal after 3 years, because you know the coronavirus is getting weaker and weaker every day. So going to places not allowed, and you know you can travel now. So yeah, so we'll see you on the airplane.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we already checked our checked-in baggage, and now we are going to the immigration. So for Ate, the line is really long, so it's good that we've allotted less than 2 hours. So make sure guys that you are checking which line are you standing in. Kasi they have this for foreign passport lane, and then they have for Philippine passport lane, and then they have for person with disability, senior citizens. So if you're traveling with a kid, with someone who is a PWD or a senior citizen, then they have this express lane that you can use. So we're traveling with a little monster here. That's why we can use the express lane. Grabe, it's really jam-packed. A lot of people here. Tapos this one guys, oh. Yan. So they'll give you that departure card. Make sure to fill it out while you are standing in line. So pagdating mo dun sa, so that when it's already your turn, you can just present that. It's an immigration officer. Alright guys, so we're done with the immigration. So we're entering the boarding hall. So another x-ray, of course. So very fast lang naman yung at the immigration. So basically they just ask where you're going, is this a private trip, etc. So not much, you know, complications happen. What's up, Kanya? Yeah, so our estimated time of departure is 5:20. It's just 3:45. So we decided to eat muna here. So we're having this pork tonkatsu and then chicken karaage here at Kanshu Rice Noodles Express. We're gonna eat muna, and then later we're gonna go to the boarding area. Hey guys, so we're waiting here at the boarding area. So time check, it's 4:35 in the afternoon. Our boarding time is 5:20. So simple steps guys. Simple steps guys when going to Singapore. First is upon entry here at the Terminal 3, you have to pay your travel tax. That's number 1. Number 2 is to check in your luggage. Yeah. And then after that, once you've checked in your, if you do have to, you know, check in luggages, after that you have to go to the immigration area. So they'll be asking a series of questions. simple questions lang naman. Not really difficult questions or something complicated questions for you to answer. So just, I don't know, be yourself and just try to be really as precise as possible. Okay? And then after that, they'll let you, they're gonna ask you now to go to the boarding area. So, yun guys, pero lang kasimple going to Singapore. Look what happened to the lace, guys, to the chips. That's because of the change of pressure. It's science. Science, and it will explode.
I think this thing is pregnant. It's on labor.
Yeah, look at that.
What happened?
Discover wondrous world at Jewel Changi Airport. Changi.
Why is it so loud?
Alright guys, so touchdown Singapore, Terminal 4. So first off, we're gonna check the what they call it, the hub for the SIM card that we purchased, and it says that we will be claiming it here in one of their hubs here at Terminal 4. So I'll keep you updated, guys. So guys, we already got our luggage and then done na rin with the immigration, so we're already out. It's just that we're looking for this Star Hub where I can pick up the SIM card that I purchased from Klook. So siguro I need to ask around. Marami na mga nag-assist. Alright guys, welcome to Singapore. So this is where we will collect or claim the SIM card, Star Hub SIM card from Klook. So it's just right after the exit gate of the arrival Terminal 4. So that is just on the left side. So here. So UOB currency exchange. Dito, yes.
Or what does it do?
SIM card.
For the SIM card so that we can have internet because this is a different country.
Alright guys, so we already got the Star Hub SIM card after 48 years because it took us a while really to get the SIM card. So I'll configure it first guys and I'll let you know once successful. Thank you.
He is looking for a Grab so that we can go to our hotel. Last time, remember Boracay? Remember guys? We actually there. They were still open the pool very late, but I hope the pool here at our hotel is still open. But I'm kind of scared that it's not, because there is a big chance. Because if it's 10:30, it's very late na. So, kasi the flight is very long, guys.
We already have a good connection here in Singapore. So, going to the hotel, we're gonna use Grab. So, I'm using the same exact Grab app that we are using in the Philippines. So, here around 15 kilometers from here to the hotel, it says $18.80. There are $16.80, so it's roughly the same for what we're paying there in Manila. So I'm hearing a lot of news that yung Grab and transportation here in Singapore kind of very expensive, but when you compare it to the rates that we have there in Manila, I find it really the same. First glance of Singapore. I think this is a national highway, parang it's
guys, touchdown. We have finally came here to the hotel after the grab. I'm actually not tired. Here is mommy waiting. Hi. Hi. she's very quiet. She likes to be quiet in front of camera. She's shy. It's been such a long day, and we are gonna ask if the pool is still open. I'm still like energized. I did not sleep at all in the airplane, so yeah, I'm still very energized.
Few moments later.
Hey guys, so this is our first meal here in Singapore. So this is Ajilani restaurant. So authentic Indian cuisine here in Singapore, located in Bencoolen Street. So I'm having biryani, mutton biryani, and then mommy is having chicken biryani. Little monster is having just fried chicken.
As always.
Always. Oh my god. This is our first Indian meal here in Singapore. Alright guys, so we're just gonna dive in na muna and napakabusog. See you later guys. Oh my god guys, sobrang sarap talaga ng authentic Indian cuisine. What's up mommy? Yummy?
Not so far.
You know, ang curry nila guys, oh my god. It's can't beat the original really.
Ang dami ng serving.
Yeah. So the biryani mutton, it costs 7 Singaporean dollars. So roughly in Philippine peso, that's 280. Diba? I think that one is a bit cheaper. So 280 pesos for such serving, sulit na rin, right? Alright guys. Tayo makapag-vlog ng mga kasi kain lang tayo ng kain. Singapore showing you.
So guys, we are here at floor 9. It's very late na, so lots of people are sleeping na, so we have to be quiet. We saw a haunted house on the way here, and now I'm traumatized. So guys, now I'm traumatized because of the haunted house. So guys, mommy's here. We are very full. I ate the best chicken of my life.
Goal!
I am full now, so we are gonna sleep now, guys. So we'll see you tomorrow at Universal Studios.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for traveling with us today. Bye.